Hey everyone, welcome back to the Health Vault, your trusted space for natural health tips, remedies, and real wellness wisdoms. If your skin feels dull or your digestion track is off, today's video is for you because I'm sharing one of my favorite morning detox that helps cleansing your system, improves digestion, and gives your skin the natural glow. No expensive products needed. The best part is it's made with simple ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Let's now understand why morning detox matters. When you wake up, your body has just finished several hours of internal repair. Your digestive system kind of like a car that's been parked all night. You need to gently start it before hitting the gas. This drink is a very good detox drink. Flush out toxins that build up overnight. Rehydrate your body after 7 to 8 hours of no water, boost metabolism, and preps your gut for the day meal. This reflects on your skin, every level and mood. So, let's get into the recipe. This drink is simple, powerful, and super easy to make in just 3 minutes. Here is what you need. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, a slice of fresh ginger or quarter teaspoon of ginger powder. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a glass of warm water, around 2000 ml. A pinch of black pepper for better absorption of turmeric. Let's see how to make it. Boil a cumin seeds, black pepper and ginger in a water for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain it into a glass. Add turmeric, lemon juice. Stir well and drink warm. Remember, on an empty stomach. This is not just a fad detox. Each of these ingredients had deep benefits backed by the both ancient wisdoms and modern science. Let's talk quickly about why this works so well. Turmeric, a natural anti-inflammative, helps reduce acne, bloating, and skin inflammation. It also supports liver detox, your skin's best friend. Cumin aids digestion, reduces gas, and improves nutritional absorption. Ginger stimulates digestion, reduces nausea, and supports clear skin by lowering internal inflammation. Lemon juice, loaded with vitamin C, which is more beneficial for your skin, supports collagen production and flush out toxins. Black pepper helps to body absorption from turmeric up to 2000% better. Without it, most of the turmeric powder is lost. For the best results, drink this every morning on an empty stomach about 20 to 30 minutes before your breakfast. You will start noticing less bloating, better bowel movement, brighter clear skin, and even improves focus and energy. So the next time you wake up, don't reach for a coffee first. Start your day with this natural golden detox drink instead. Your skin and gut will thank you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and drop an emoji in the comments if you are going to try this tomorrow. And don't forget to subscribe to the Health Vault for more home remedies, health hacks, and wellness wisdoms. Stay healthy, stay glowing. See you in the next video.